In this video, I will show you steps to change the password in Ubuntu Linux in case I forgot the current password. As you can see, I try to sudo and open etc host to modify, but I don't remember my password. I try to sudo to root, but this still doesn't work because I don't remember password anymore. So to change the password in this case, I need to restart the computer. I try to press shift, press and hold shift key to go to group bootloader. This is the version, the second version of a group. I choose my kernel, then I press E to edit. Try to scroll down and I found the line with begin with a unit. Then I go to the end of this line. Then append this command: init equal bin bash. This means I will start with bin bash. Then I will press function 10 to return. Then press enter to boot. Now we boot into the Linux with the root. However, this is only read only. The file system is mounted in read-only mode. So if we try to change something like we change password here, it will not success. So we need to remount the file system in the read-write mode. Use this command. Now we retry with the password command. Type the password and retry again. So now you can see we update successfully my password, the new password. Now I restart the computer again to normal mode. So now I log on to the Linux. I try to do some command with the required root password. I try to sudo, then sudo root, and I type the new password I just changed before. So now I success with the new password. So that's all steps we need to reset password in Ubuntu.